Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore an effortless content strategy using Tailwind. If you're ready to maximize your online presence and make your time truly count, you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you never miss out on our valuable content. Tailwind is like your content creator's secret weapon. It helps you schedule your content, find the best times to post, and even discover content that resonates with your audience. It's time-saving and incredibly effective. Here's the key to an effortless strategy: Tailwind Smart Schedule. It analyzes when your audience is most engaged and schedules your post accordingly. By investing a bit of time upfront with Tailwind, you're setting yourself up for consistent and success. It's time well spent that pays off in traffic, leads, and brand exposure. Don't forget to check the links in the description for exclusive resources and discounts on Tailwind. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow creators, and remember to subscribe for more tips. Until next time, happy creating!